Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about tables. Tables are containers that show users different records such as products, prices, status, dates, etc. A data table contains a header row at the top that lists column names followed by rows for data. They are usually scrollable and easy to scan. So if you need to populate some data which are sortable and follow the same pattern, you can use tables. When you're designing tables, make sure to pay attention to the following things. Number 1, expandable. Rows in a table can be expandable in order to allow the user to evaluate additional information without losing its context. Number 2, pagination. Pagination works by presenting a set of numbers in a view with the ability to navigate to another set. And lastly, fixed headers. Fixing the row header while a user scrolls through a table helps the user to know about the column name.